Alaska is a state belonging to the United States located partially in the radius of the Arctic Circle. The Arctic ice between 1980 and 2008 has decreased by 4.3 to 7.5 feet. The biggest threat to Alaska is the decline in Arctic sea ice levels. Alaska is vulnerable to decline of Arctic sea ice levels because most of Alaska is covered by sea ice. The population rely on ice fishing for food. The infrastructure is built for sea ice conditions, and the ecosystem has adapted and thrives in these conditions. The melting Arctic ice can cause fish to migrate to a more suitable environment, which can lead to organisms who relied on them as food to be in shortage. Infrastructure could get damaged if the summers start getting longer. Melting ice can start causing rust to form. The best case scenario suggests that the Arctic's sea ice core melts by 43 to 93% by 2081 to 2100. The future estimate has a wide range due to anthropogenic activities. The reduction of Arctic sea ice is most likely caused by anthropogenic activities all around the world. If the sea ice keeps being reduced, Alaska will face the same problem but will be amplified. To stop the Arctic sea ice from melting, anthropogenic activities would have to improve. Humans would need to turn to renewable energy and resources to reduce greenhouse gases in the environment, because the Arctic sea ice melts because when the Arctic sea ice melts, it releases CO2 and methane, amplifying the already worsening environmental conditions.